The sun is peeking through the blind. There's a brand new day for us to find. Shake the dreams out from your head. Time to climb on out the bed. Pull the blanket, smooth the sheet. Tidy up for tiny feet. One big breath and now we're through. Next step waiting just for you. To the washroom, move with grace. Find the soap and find your space. Turn the tap and let it run. Hand washing has just begun. Rub your palms and wash them clean. Best hands that I've ever seen. Take your brush and hold it tight. Get your teeth to shine so bright. Put a dot of paste so small, like a tiny winter snowball wall. Start on the right with circles slow, where the sugar monsters go. Moving over to the left, brushing like a dental chef. Round and round we make the track, reaching all the way to back. Now we climb up to the top, moving up and never stop. Brush the gums and make them strong. Brush the upper teeth along. Gravity helps us with the next. Down below is the final test. Wiggle down along the line, making every surface shine. Now the hidden parts inside, where the tiny crumbs can hide. Brush the ceiling of your mouth. Keep the brush pointed to the south. Inner wall and lower floor. Brush them till you can't no more. One more sweep and now we're done. Look at what your hands have won. Splash the water, clear the foam. Best smile that you've brought back home. Put your brush back in its place. Dry the water from your face.